So let's start with the one everyone wants to know about: how to get paid. To add payments, we can just ask the AI. In the chat, I'll say, connect Stripe so we can charge customers a monthly subscription for premium movie recommendations. We'll submit. It'll come back asking us to allow it to install Stripe or reject the request. Let's click Install Stripe. After a few minutes, it comes back and says everything is wired up. It created a premium page to show off the new premium subscription plan. It created a bunch of backend functions to manage the checkout and subscription and product. And it created all the technical stuff we need to manage the product and subscription. It also provided us with instructions for how to test that. So it says click subscribe and use this demo card. Let's do that here. If we click subscribe now, we get this pop-up saying that we have to do this in the published app. Now, we don't actually have to publish the app yet to do this. We just have to go to this URL here. So I've copied this URL, go to a new tab, and this is a preview URL. So here we'll go premium, subscribe now, and here we've been taken into the Stripe sandbox checkout. Let's plug in that demo card, and we'll click pay and subscribe. And there we go, the checkout flow is successful. That's it. One prompt to connect payments, one prompt to connect a product. We've got ourselves a working checkout. Base44 sets up Stripe in test mode first so you can try it without moving any real money. Now, if we go back to the dashboard and go to integrations, when you're ready to go live, there's a setup guide here that walks you through connecting your real Stripe account. Now, I'm not going to walk through every Stripe setting right now. That's its own whole rabbit hole, and Base44's docs cover it pretty well. But the point is, you've just added payment processing to your app by simply asking the AI. That's vibe coding. Now, you'd probably want to add some additional business logic here to make sure that your premium customers see something different than the free users. Maybe you'd also want to send a thank you email when somebody signs up. Let's tell this to the Base44 AI chat. I'll use voice mode again. Please ensure that free and paid users see different content. Also, send a confirmation email to new premium subscribers when they sign up. And we'll send it. When it's done, you can see it decided to gate the AI recommendations behind the premium subscription, and it also added a confirmation email in the webhook for the Stripe checkout. So up here now we have a For You tab, and we can see that this is now locked as a premium feature. Now, this particular user that we're using in the test environment doesn't have a subscription yet. So in the background here, I've created a test user that has a subscription. The cool thing is you can see how different users experience the app by clicking these three dots at the top, clicking Act as User. Then we can say View As and change to this other test user here. Now, if we click on the For You tab, we can see that the gate has been unlocked, and now this user can get custom AI recommendations.